Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Wonder Baby here, and welcome to my Get Ready With Me Skincare and Makeup Edition.
That's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here. I like it.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. As you can see, I have been dealing with some breakouts due to having to wear a mask. So if you want to see more, just keep watching and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This is CeraVe's Renewing SA Cleanser. I use this on my face every day and it has helped me control my breakouts and keep my skin free of dirt and oil, you guys. It has some very great benefits, vitamin D being one of them, and it's also fragrance free. And when I say it does not leave your skin dry or sticky, instead it leaves your skin smooth and silky. I have also been using CeraVe's Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion. Now, my favorite thing about this product is it has SPF 30. And you know, the way this heat has been set up, we need something on our skin to protect it from all of this heat. So, a 10 out of 10 recommend. Go get it. Okay, so we're going to start with this E.L.F. Power Grip Primer, which is the dupe to the Milk Power Grip Primer. And when I tell you, this primer had me shook. I'm talking about, I was shaking like R. Kelly at a baby shower. I want to say that I love the consistency of this product. It feels like jelly and it has that bounce back feel to it, so you know it's gonna stick and be stuck when you put it on, and that is exactly what we want. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Orange Sherbet Eyeshadow Palette. Starting with the color Extra Toppings, we're just gonna put that all over our eyelid, and I will definitely leave the link to the products in the description box below, so please make sure that you check that out. The more I practice, the more I realize that I'm getting better with my makeup, but I do need to become more consistent when it comes to my self-care routine, because as a mom, I feel it's hard to make time for yourself, especially when you're so busy with taking care of everyone else. I have to remind myself that I am not a robot, I am not a maid, and I do need to make time for myself. I'm not perfect, and I don't want no one to think that I am perfect or that I portray myself to be perfect, because I have flaws, and that's just the reality of it. So I'm going to use my Old Faithful Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm just going to go in all over my face. I do use the color 330, as you can see. I have been using this foundation for years. My sister actually put me on it, and I want to thank her so much, because when I first started doing my makeup, I did not have a clue what to do. It is definitely a trial and error situation. And I'm just really getting into contouring, so don't tussle with me yet, sis. Don't tussle with me yet. So yeah, y'all, I'm just getting into it. I'm just learning how to blend my makeup a little bit more, and I'm definitely having fun with this. It is so fun watching you go from one look to another. The transitions are just so creative and so beautiful to me. I really want to get into learning how to do my eyeshadow a little more. I was a little scared to wear eyeshadow because I felt like I looked like a clown or something. Like, I was so scared to wear, like, I would only wear like neutral colors, but I'm definitely going to be branching out to more colors, as y'all been seeing on my channel. So yeah, keep watching for that. I am also excited about my TikTok, y'all. It has really been trying to take off or do a little something. So y'all definitely need to head on over to TikTok and follow me at It's Wonder Baby. I do a lot of videos over there where it's pretty much short videos on hair, makeup, nursing, PCA, CNA, PCT, whatever you want to call them in your area. I do a lot of, little things here and there, shopping videos, reviews, a lot on there. So, like I said, go on over to TikTok and follow me. I'm starting to enjoy doing my makeup videos because as I sit and I look back and I edit these videos, I see how I just completely messed up my face. Like, what was the point of me contouring my nose if I was gonna turn around and put all of this doggone concealer over it? Like, I felt like I used entirely too much concealer and I was trying to blend it out, and I was just terrified at that point, and I did not want to start over because I had already started over on my eyeshadow, and y'all don't even know it, but y'all know now. But yeah, I had already started over on my eyeshadow, and I was already running behind, and I was like, man, you know what? It's whatever. I'm just gonna have to try to make it do what it do, and that's what I did. So to add some color back to my skin, I did go in with my Black Radiance concealer palette. Now, nobody told me to do this. I just followed my instincts. So I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong. This is a learning experience, like I say. So yeah, we're just going with it. And here I am just applying a little blush to my cheeks. I think this is a CoverGirl blush. I'm not sure. But I really love it. It's definitely putting the look together. Let's just talk about how your girl coming back to back with these videos. Like, I have really been putting in work, y'all. I have been dedicated. I have been motivated. I have been getting up off my behind and recording some videos and doing these taking pictures and editing these videos. Y'all, I have been really working, and I'm so glad that you guys are finally going to be able to see what I have been working on. All I can say is consistency is definitely key. It is the key to success. You have to be consistent at everything you do. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be the best all the time, but you definitely need to be consistent and true to yourself and who you are. I have been doing hair for over 10 years, and I have had so many different YouTube channels where I started and didn't complete them. It wasn't consistent and lost motivation, but looking at how my channel is growing and the amount of feedback that I do get back, I really appreciate it, and it definitely keeps me going. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and all of my other social media outlets, because you guys do not want to miss out on all of these amazing videos that I have.